What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I have my third and final update for you guys on my Range Rover return. If you guys are new here, about a month ago, I sold a Range Rover headlight and it was returned to me because the buyer could not fix the issues that were with it. And when they sent it back, when I checked it in, they had completely broken the whole inside of the headlight. Now the headlight is completely useless and I will not be able to sell it again. In my second update, I told you guys how I tried to contact the buyer and get a resolution done between us, either giving him half his money or some money back, but not all of it. And I knew as soon as I got eBay involved, they would refund the buyer 100%. So in that update, I told you guys how I did all of that and eBay refunded the buyer. They said they could not help me out. And the only thing I had left to do was appeal the case. So obviously, because this was damaged by the buyer and now I'm out $350, I did appeal the case, trying to do the most I can to get my money back. So on the same day that they refunded the buyer, I appealed the case and then I wrote eBay a nice long message explaining what went on with this headlight. And like I said in the last video, you guys want to make sure you're as polite as possible. You don't want to be swearing, yelling, caps lock, and all that stuff because it's really just going to make you guys look bad. You know, even if you want to try to be as good as you can in these messages because eBay can look through everything and see what you say. So I wrote eBay a nice message, explained everything. I added pictures to show them, what was damaged. A little while later, I got a message from eBay and they actually told me that they were going to reverse their decision according to my appeal. So basically, I won the case, which is a very awesome thing. That usually doesn't happen too much. So I'm very happy that I finally got, the money that I was looking for out of this headlight. And even though this headlight is useless, I'm going to at least get my money back from the last time that I sold it. So that was an automated message that I got from eBay saying they were going to reverse the case, but I actually got a message from someone who works at eBay. I'm going to read the important parts of this to you guys so you can see exactly what they said to me. It says, first off, I can see that you have no issues resolving problems for your customers. From looking at your account, you are an excellent seller and have maintained an excellent track record. I've reviewed the details of the case and the condition of the returned item. Based on this, I can see that the item was returned to you differently. As I resolved, I would like to take care of this. I've decided to grant your appeal and reverse the decision on this case. Any funds removed from your account will be returned within the next 48 hours. This case won't count against your seller performance. You do not need to do anything else. I've removed the defect for this case and it will be updated in your seller dashboard within 3 to 5 days. I admire the professional way you handled yourself throughout the transaction, and I trust the action taken is to your satisfaction. So that was obviously a very nice message from someone that worked at eBay. And as you can see, because I handled myself in a very nice manner and I was not swearing and yelling at the buyer or at eBay themselves, that they can see that I am a good seller and that I'm just trying to do the best for my account. So I can see that if you are very rude in these messages or sending things to eBay, that they might not side with you. So this email right here really proves that you guys should be as good as you can when you are talking to people, because like I said, even the messages that you send between you and other buyers, eBay can read all of those. They might have reversed this case anyways, but just the fact that they can see that I'm trying hard to just be as good as I can with selling in my seller account, I think it probably helped them just say, yep, this guy has no problems. He usually does a really good job selling and that we don't have an issue giving him his money back. So it's just something to keep in mind in case you guys get into this in any time in the future, that you don't want to be over the top angry at anybody or call anybody out, because it might hurt you in the end if you need to make an appeal. I am happy to say that I'm getting my $375 from this headlight, $350 of it being for the price and then the $25 from the shipping. So obviously I'm very happy about that. I'm going to probably take the ballast out of this headlight and I'll be able to sell those, but I'm going to throw that Range Rover headlight right in the trash because I know that no one is going to buy it at this point. But at least in the end, I got some money out of it. So hopefully I don't have to go through the same thing anytime soon. Usually when people want to return things, I always let them and I get the packages back and the parts are perfectly fine. This was something out of the normal where it's actually broken. So hopefully the next time I will be as lucky as this time. So I'm hoping you guys can take my experience and learn from it. And hopefully if you guys have this same issue, you can get it resolved and get your money that's rightfully owed to you. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any other questions or comments about this, just let me know and I will see you next time.